Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, another delivery from eBay has arrived. Thought I'd do an unboxing video. This is a Marx 6000 A and B unit with a Wabash Gondola. I picked this up on eBay for 10 bucks for all of it. Now the locomotive itself has some issues, as do most of the stuff that I buy. Alright. Let's see here. Alright, get this out of the way. We'll take a look and see what we have here. So there's the dummy, the B unit, in really decent condition. And it has both of the horns. This is the locomotive, also in really decent condition. The problem with it is somebody has drilled holes in the side, added screws, and mounted what appears to be steel weights in the locomotive itself. It would have been just as easy to add a traction tire. So, and the Wabash Gondola. Let me get this paper out of the way. I'll pull the camera off the tripod. Let's take a look at all this. So, Marx 6000 B unit dummy. Get this tripod out of the way. As you see, that's in really decent condition. The A unit is complete. The only problem, of course, is someone has drilled holes in it and added those weights. So what I'm going to do, very likely, is pull the motor out of this and swap it into the B unit. That'll give me a genuine switcher with a coupler on the front and the rear. And then the Wabash Gondola. It's in fair condition. Anyway, it was definitely worth 10 bucks, no doubt. So I've got to pull a locomotive off the rail so we can use this outside rail. So turn the power on, grab the locomotive. I'm not going to do anything to it. Let's just see if it does anything at all. Wow, look at that. Well, it runs, no problem at all with it. Hasn't been running a long time, but well, that's quite incredible. All right, so the Marx 6000 A and B unit and a Wabash 7-inch gondola, 10 bucks. Really difficult to beat that, especially since it's running. The horns on it are worth more than I paid for this entire set. So a Wabash gondola, the 6000 A unit, the 6000 B unit, and it's running. Let's throw it on this consist real quick and see if it'll actually pull this. All right. It was surprising that it took off the way it did. All right, we are on the rail. Let's see what happens. Marx 6000. It doesn't like that spot on the track for some reason. All right, let's see. Yeah, brushes are really dirty in this motor. All right, right, well, it's up and running. Marx 6000, A unit, B unit, and a 7-inch Wabash gondola. Anyway, $10, really difficult to beat that. So like I said, I will very likely pull the motor out of this and swap it into the B unit and just motorize it. It's really simple to do. It only takes a few minutes. So that'll give me a switcher with a coupler on either end. Anyway, I just wanted to do a grand unboxing video. $10 on eBay. And as I stress, don't overlook the junk. It was definitely worth $10. So I just want to do a quick unboxing video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.